Hey man, say man, just another day man. What's going on YouTube? Today, we just gonna make a real quick video man. I'm getting some good lighting. It's real bright outside, can't even see. But no, today, I'm finna get a haircut. One, you know, I'm looking a little scruffy, you know. Put that back on. Yeah man, we finna get a haircut real quick. And, yeah, we finna kick it today. Nothing really too major, you know what I'm saying? This weekend I got some stuff for y'all coming, but real quick man, I want to show something that happened to Bandit. Y'all check it out. And as y'all can see right there, we got the little YouTube logo right there. You know what I'm saying? I gotta invest in myself and invest in my brand, so I thought I'd add it right to the front. You know what I'm talking about? Let me know what y'all think in the comments down below. Yeah, it look right. Ain't no air bubbles in that thing. Hold on real quick, hold on. There you go, your mama texting me again. Man, tell your mama stop texting me, man. I got things to do today. But for real though, we finna get out of here, get this haircut, and y'all stay tuned. What's up YouTube? We just pulled up to the barbershop right now, but real quick before I'll go and get in this chair and get this fresh cut, I wanted to show y'all the kicks of the day. You feel me? Kicks of the day. Top one, our top 3 Jordan 1s. You know, we out here. Kicks on fleek. But I'm gonna be back, y'all. Don't worry. Woo! As y'all can see, it's the next day. Got that fresh cut, wave on swimmy swim. But y'all, man, that's real quick video, man. Like I said, we just added the decals to Bandit. Nothing too crazy, man, but hey, we finna do something crazy to Bandit. But for that goddamn, what's it called, man? The goddamn giveaway, man. Yeah. So I'm gonna need all y'all to do me a favor. Go ahead and comment down below. Yeah, comment down below on this video, and I'm going to pick one of you guys for that $50 Nike gift card. I don't know about y'all, but I like free stuff. So if you want something free, go ahead, comment below on the video, man. It only take you 2 seconds. You could comment the goddamn middle finger emoji if you wanted to. I don't care. Just comment something, man, and you could win that $50 Nike gift card. But if you do flip me off, I'm gonna flip you off back. Yeah, man, I'm finna get out of here. Peace. Y'all have a great day. Get this thing on. Y'all thought I forgot. Comment on the video, man. It's not hard. Comment on the video. Like, comment, subscribe, share the video. Share it to your mama, your baby mama, your sister, anybody you can, man. Any support to the channel helps, man. I love y'all, and now I'm really out of here. But comment on that video.